To create a chart in Excel, you first need to input some data. Right here I have some X values and some Y values. To create the chart, highlight all the data and then click on the Insert tab and then choose Recommended Charts. You can also do all charts and go to a specific one that you have in mind, but recommended charts usually gives you the best ones for your data set. So scatter chart right here looks good. So I'm going to choose that and click OK. And here's our graph, but it's not very descriptive. So I'm going to add some labels. So press this plus icon right here and hit Axis Titles. And then I'm going to change this to time in seconds and y-axis is distance in meters. And for the title of the graph, I'm going to put distance versus time. We can also add other stuff to the graph. So press plus. You can add data labels like this if you want. Error bars, a legend, or a trend line. Let's choose that. Here, this chooses the line of best fit. So if it was a linear graph, this is the line it would be. Then if you right click and choose Format Trendline, you have a bunch of options here, but you can select Display Equation on Chart, and this will get you the slope of the graph, which is around 7.5. So that would be the velocity in this case, because it's distance versus time. Then you can also change some other things, for example, horizontal axis right here. Then choose this button, and then you can change the axis labels, like the numbers. So for example, if you wanted to have them 1 apart, so you have each data point listed, you can also change the maximum value. So you want it to be 10, and you can change it tick marks, labels, or numbers. And you can also do the same with the vertical axis. So you wanted this to be 0, maximum 80, and then you can again change the spacing in between if you want. In this case it's too busy, so I'm gonna set that back to 10. And there's also many other options. You can look at the plot area, you can change the color, thickness of the lines. There's many more options you can explore.